Students and educators are faced with an amount of information scattered across the textbooks, research papers, and various informations. Retrieving relevant information from these resources can be really time-consuming and challenging. So, here we, the students of ENC branch, I, Khwahish Mittal,
I, Vaishnavi,
I, Sukhman Singh,
I, Purbasha Roy,
I, Vidushi Nigam,
are here to present the solution Arise, AI-based reading and inquiry engine, which aims to develop an advanced automated question answering system. Arise is designed to revolutionize the way individuals interact with information, providing seamless access to knowledge through three distinctive modes: long-form question answering, short-form responses, and tabular interpretation.
What are key features of our model Arise? So our model has been trained on diverse data set, including textbook, research papers, and online resources. Our second most key important feature is the interactive and adaptive learning. Arise, our question answering system, enables personalized and interactive learning. User can retrieve information in short, long, or tabular format based on their preferences. Moving to our third point, natural language processing expertise. Our project employs advanced NLP to enable Arise to deeply understand and interpret complex educational content. So moving to our next slide.
So this is the tech stack that we have used. For front-end part, we have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For the different types of models like short form, long form, and tabular form, we have used Llama 2 70 billion, LLM 7 billion, and Tapas. So coming to the demo part, this is our landing page. So to get started, we need to first log in. As I already have some login credentials, or login. When I will log in, it will direct me to this page. It is showing our services, that is what are the services that our website offers to any user, which is long form question answering, short form, and tabular form. Now suppose I want to upload a file and I want to ask some questions. I want to get long form question answer. So I would click on this button and it would direct me to upload a file. Now let's suppose I upload this file and I ask this question. This is a button where if a user wants to store this file for future use, he can store, and if he doesn't want to store, he can select the no button. So I'll prefer that I'll store this. And then when I will click on this button, it will give me the answer to that question which I have asked.
Yep. So what is happening in the backend right now is it is using various NLP techniques for finding the answer of the question from the PDF that we have uploaded. So first the PDF will be converted to text format. Then we will apply two techniques which are known as multi-query retrieval and re-ranking. So here you can see that we have received the final answer. Our question was, what is covariance? And you might notice that in the end, the LLM cuts off. This is because of maximum length output token limitation, which will be fixed once we run the LLM on a high-end server. Since we are running this in local, we are limited by the maximum length of the
So moving to our next model, that is a tabular question answering form model. So firstly, we will be choosing a document. Currently, here we are choosing a cricket player document, which will be containing necessary information about the cricket players. And then we are entering the question that we wanted to ask. And after that, we have a question to whether we want to store it for future use. Here we are storing it for the future necessary use. And then we are asking the question. By the time our model process our answers, let's get into the backend of our model. So this script has been done in 5 steps. So first step is to import the necessary libraries like Torch, Pandas, and Transformer, and other important libraries like dataset and Torch scatters for deep learning operation and logging. The second step is to loading the dataset. Here we are using a dataset from the Hugging Face dataset libraries, and this dataset contains 112 case rows. This has been split into the training data. After that, it has been pre-processed to fill any missing values so that we have consistency. For the third step, we have initialized our model with a pre-trained Tapas model and its corresponding tokenizer. For the fourth step, we have set our training arguments like number of training epochs, batch size for training, evaluation, warm-up steps, and etc. And the fifth and the last step is to train the model. We have trained the model using trainer.train and with our necessary arguments. And after post-training and fine-tuning, we will be getting the result, the answer that we are looking for the question we have entered. So moving to our website. As we can see, moving to our website again, we have received our answer that the Sachin Tendulkar has scored the highest run in all over the data we have given. So moving to our next slide, as we can see, moving to our website again, we can get
the The limitations of the project include subject-specific expertise. ARISE effectiveness may vary across different subjects. Second is the over-reliance on textual data. ARISE primarily focuses on textual data and it may face challenges in the text which include visual content, mathematical equations or complex diagrams. The third limitation is limitation on multilingual support. It may encounter difficulties in effectively processing and generating answers for queries posed in different languages. And last limitation is the limitation in GPU compute. Since LLMs are quite large in size, with large VRM are needed to load them. However, techniques like QLoRa allows us to partially fine-tune the models. So we have used such techniques. However, there is some loss in parameters, resulting in not so ideal training. Next, the conclusion of the project is ARISE is basically represents the future of education, empowering students and teachers alike to unlock their full potential in the realm of reading and inquiry. The limitations of the project include subject-specific expertise. ARISE effectiveness may vary across different subjects. Second is the over-reliance on textual data. ARISE primarily focuses on textual data and it may face challenges in the text which include. With this conclusion, there comes the end of our video, and this is what all our project arises. With this conclusion, there comes the end of our video, and this is what all our project arises. With this conclusion, there comes the end of our video, and this is what all our project arises. With this conclusion, there comes the end of our video, and this is what all our project arises. With this conclusion, there comes the